Hello and welcome back. Today, you may think that everybody's doing the same thing, so many businesses are similar to yours and to mine. Nothing is new or different. Some people are born copycats, and we're afraid to get copied. And we're on this boat on how we can differentiate ourselves from our competitors. Many of us, when we're in our hustling mode, working mode, don't stop for 2 seconds to understand what makes your business unique and what makes you, the business owner and entrepreneur, be authentic and different from other businesses. So I'll share with you 4 quick ways to make your business unique. So let's start. Hey, I'm Veronica DiPolo, and with more than 15 years being a marketing strategist, you're going to experience the new way to promote your business with clear and unique messaging by giving you actionable marketing and messaging strategies that get you interested leads to transform the lives of your audiences so that you build up your brand with continuous momentum. Get ready, because here's where we say no to outdated marketing strategies and society norms, and we say yes to change from the inside out. Welcome to the Branding Momentum Podcast. I know that in this crazy world that we're living, when we are, constantly consuming content on our phones and on our TVs as well. If you still watch TV, well, we do. There's an overload of information that we don't know where our brain should actually store all that information. We have a bunch of things, like exactly how I'm feeling right now. I have a cold and I have all this stuffy information in our brain. And that's when we start comparing our business with other businesses. And we compare and we think we need to be like them, and we do need to do the same reels as them and post the same things as them. And maybe we should say it the same way. And we're using that bright light that makes us unique. And the moment you're doing that, you've lost your brand uniqueness, right? So you can actually see something and take inspiration and turn that into something for your business. But still, sometimes we see that what we like may not be the thing that your audience really likes and wants to hear about, because maybe we have different kind of taste in things, right? So how do you actually stand out from the rest? How do you understand what makes your business unique to be successful in your mind, if you want, right? Or to get more leads and to get more sales? And how can you make your business unique in a way that you feel proud of your business, right? And there are 4 quick ways that will help you actually uncover what's unique about you and your business. And they will also help you articulate your uniqueness in your copy or when you're talking up to your potential clients. In other words, the words that you use to describe your business, right? So number one, it's what is your story? And maybe you've heard this before, but actually it really does help to sit down and draft your story on a piece of paper. It's not the same thing as to think about it, because when you actually think about it, you don't realize all the wonderful things that you've gone through, right? Like, who is behind the curtain? What have you lived in your life? Because there are no two of you. There's only one of you. And your story can't be copied. It cannot be replicated. And what you've lived in your entire life, it's unique to you. So number two, what do you stand for? Like, what are your values, your identity as a human being? Are you religious? Are you not religious? Are you married? Are you divorced? You're single? What is it that you are, right? How were you brought up? What are your values? The things that are deepest to you. Think of your principles and the kind of things that make you be exactly you. And think of the things you stand for and would fight for. I want you to list all those things, because these are the things that you actually do want to connect with those people that you want to have as clients for you, right? And then once you sit down and you flush them all, then we're going to step into number 3, which is who's your people? Who is your people? Meaning, who do you serve? Who do you wake up every morning to help? Because you have a service, right? And you have clients. Like, who's that ideal client? What do you want to work with? Like, who do you want to work for? What characteristics does that person need to have? Do you actually want that person to be like you and have the same feelings as you? Or if you want that person to have a similar upbringing than you, that will actually make you connect to that person because you both live something. So you are becoming unique to them as well, right? And you're not losing your uniqueness, right? So number 4, what makes you mad and pissed off about your industry? What would you actually change? How would you improve it? Is your industry going backwards, or are they actually stuck in the past? So I want you to actually answer these 4 W's and flush all this information so that you can actually understand better your uniqueness, your person, who you are, and how actually that translates into your brand and your business. And I suggest, like I said before, flush all those ideas. Do a brainstorming exercises. If you have a partner, sit down and come up with all these answers. The ultimate goal for this exercise is for you to understand if your business exudes your personality, because that's what actually makes your brand and your business to be unique. And if your brand is not authentic with who you are and it's not the extension of who you are, then you need to create that. Because when we feel that is not working, then you gotta go back and draw it out and make that into a reality. I actually heard this great advice from a lady. She was talking about branding, and she said that if what's keeping you stuck and comparing is watching other people on social media do the same thing as you, then unfollow them. Remove the notifications, remove all that content that you're seeing, because the more focused you are on how you want to show up, the less noise you're going to have in your brain. And it would actually allow you to be more creative with your content and how you want people to actually perceive your business and your brand. And the thing is that when you are doing that, your thing, when you're doing your own thing, you are concentrated on your own stuff. You're not looking at other people. You're only concentrated on you, is what will actually make you become unique. You will feel better. Your copywriting will be much better, will be more authentic, would be more real. You are not copying anybody else. You are staying true to who you are. You're speaking directly to who you want to talk to. You're tapping into those values and that purpose that you have in your business. So I hope this actually helps you. If you were I'm not sure yet. Okay, take the time, do the exercises, okay? If you would like to now go even further into what I'm saying, I have a 4-part audio training just for you to discover how visible entrepreneurs are crushing it on social media without having to sacrifice who you are. So there are these 3 core things, and it's going to help you be more visible, not feel invisible, not copy other people. This is actually a training that I did a long time ago. It's one of our most downloadable audio trainings. And I'm pretty sure that if you want to go deep into this, there's the workbook that you can actually download and do the exercises. They're short and sweet, but they're very impactful. It actually does change the way that you want to be perceived, the way that you want your business to be like. Okay, so I'll leave that link in the description, and I hope to see you same time, same place next week. Bye bye.